factual evidence of the human vibrational energy, thoughts, words, ideas, and music affect the molecular structure of water. Please remember that water comprises over 70% of a mature human body and covers the same amount on our planet. Water is the very source of all life. This photo shows the beautifully formed geometric design of the Yushu Spring water. This next photo is from the Emoto River, the last clean spring in Japan. Notice the extraordinary geometric forms. The fact that the molecular structure of water can be affected by our consciousness, our intent, and our sounds is extremely important. This photo is from the Mount Cook Glacier in New Zealand. Mr. Emoto has been visually documenting his molecular changes in water by means of his photographic techniques. He freezes droplets of water, then examines them under a dark-field microscope that has photographic capabilities. His work clearly demonstrates that the diversity of the molecular structure of water and the effects of the environment upon the structure of the water. This photo is from the fountain, the words friends. This photo is from contaminated water in the Emoto River in Japan. In this photo, we can compare the contaminated water with clean stream water. Look at the difference. Mr. Emoto decided to see what effects music would have upon the structure of water. He placed distilled water between two speakers for several hours while playing different music and then photographing the crystals that formed after the water was frozen. This photo is of water being exposed to Beethoven Pastorale. This photo is the effect of Bach's air for the G-string on the water. This photo is water exposed to Chopin's farewell song. This next photo is water being exposed and affected to music that was designed for healing. This photo is of water being exposed to the Kowachi folk dance. This photo shows the effect of heavy metal music on the water. Here now we can compare the effects of healing versus heavy metal music and what happens to the water molecules. Mr. Emoto decided to see how thoughts and words affected the formation of untreated distilled water crystals by typing words onto paper and then taping the paper onto glass bottles overnight. This photo shows the effect of the words, "Thank you." This next photo shows the effects of the words, "Love" and "Appreciation." This photo shows the effects of the words, "You make me sick, I will kill you." And here we can compare the effects of "Thank you" with the "You make me sick, I will kill you." Very, very different geometric forms being occurred through the intention. Now this photo is of a very polluted and toxic water from the Fujiwara Dam. Here now is the same water from the Fujiwara Dam after Buddhist monks have offered a prayer over it. Prayer, that sound coupled with intention, seems to have an extraordinary ability of restoring water to its natural, harmonious, geometric symmetry. And in this photo, we can see and compare toxic water and the effects of praying over the water. As we can see from the work of Dr. Emoto, the powers of our words, thoughts, frequencies, intention, energy, how we show up in the world, and how energetically aligned we are with the environment and those that we love most in our lives.